PS ps3. It's one of the fat model. So this PS3 is not it's not reading the disk. We're gonna try to replace the disk drive, the optical lens. So we have some tools here. First, we're gonna start with. First, we need to take this one off. If you can see it, you have to take this off. It comes what this just pops right out. Don't lose it. Next, you have the your security screw, and you need one this special drive. So we're gonna screw that out. I cannot see it. Okay. Let's move that out. I'm gonna put it on the side. I like to use my magnets for my screws so we don't lose them. Very handy to have. Now this cover slide right out. You just slide it. Can you see it? Slides out. And just lift it up. And off the cover and put it on the side. Now, next you have this cover and this cover. You have screws here, 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 and over there. And we're gonna take the screws out. So yeah, I don't have the power screwdriver right now, so I'm gonna use manual. Now the main reason we're doing this is I'm showing my 7 and 9-year-old boys how to disassemble it, and then they should put it back together themselves. So we'll see how that goes. You ready?
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yes.
Watch carefully. Loose. This one is loose, and we have one here. Can you see it clear? One right here. We have this PS3 for quite a while now. Pair of shoes, very dusty, so we're gonna clean it. So these screws, they're very long. You want to see it? You have a short one that goes right in the corner. So pretty much they are all long ones. Alright. Yes. Alright. Let's put the screws aside for now. And get one up here. Now that we have the screw out right here, there's a latch that you have to put your finger, kind of squeeze it, and then pull it out, and the cover is open. Now, as you can see, it's all dusty. We're going to clean it. We're going to replace it. Now, this is the power supply, and this is a disk drive that you want to open it, disassemble it. But before we do that, in order to take this out, we have to remove the power supply. So we have 1, 2 screws over here, 3. We have to take the screws out, move the power supply first. Okay, now that we took all the power supply screws, now we're gonna take this cable right in the back, kind of reach it as far as you can, and then kind of pull it a little gently, and it comes right off. And right in the front. Right in the front. There's another port cable. You're gonna kind of squeeze it and kind of wiggle it and pull it, and it comes right off. Now that we got all the cables and all the screws out, you're gonna need to hold it close to the drive, both hands, try to move it up, and it comes right off. And voila, look at that dust and dirt. And that's your power supply. And you want to take this outside and blow it. And to take our drive off, there's a cable right here. Wiggle it and take it out. And there's another port. You want to push, squeeze it, and kind of wiggle it, and it comes right off. And just pull that out, and there's your disk drive. Now we're going to go ahead and dust all this off, and we will work on our disk drive. The CD drive out, we're going to flip it upside down, and we have 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to need to take them out. They're very tiny, and we don't want to lose them. Put it right here for now. And another one. Make sure you don't lose this tiny screw. Turn it on the front. Now I'm going to flip it over. Now we got all our 4 screws are out.